So we are making sweet potato toast. I don't know if you heard about, hi. So I don't know if you've heard about this new fad, the sweet potato toast fad, but you'll see it on social media. I'm sure if you haven't come across it yet, you will. And we're gonna show you, I was like, that's a bit weird, but I tried it and my family tried it and they all loved it. So I thought, winner. This is such an easy way to make breakfast and it's so filling because of the sweet potato. I'm just gonna share some tricks with you. One is people on social media and the ones that you have seen say just to cut 1/4 inch slices of sweet potato and just put them straight into the toaster. But I find it takes forever to cook through. It takes you've got to toast it for 20 minutes. So it's something I didn't want to do. So what I do now is I cut it in little slices. It's going to be hard, sorry. So just about 1/4 inch. Just watch your fingers because this one's sharp, okay? Maybe not, maybe not. Okay, got it. Gotcha. Okay, so you need slices around that thick, just 1/4 inch. And I just put baking paper, line a tray with baking paper, and I line them up next to each other and I just bake them for 10-15 minutes just so that they soften up. So we just put them in a container like this and they last for about a week for the 5 days, like Monday to Friday. We have our breakfast sorted. So it's an easy breakfast and I'll show you what I do. So I just take the sweet potato out and you know what, you could even cut them in half. And I'll cut another one in half as well. And you put it in the, well, I might stand it up so it's easier to grab. Put it in the toaster. And just toast them, they'll warm straight through. And I'm gonna show you some different toppings that I like using for the family, or that is our favorite. One of the toppings I have is like a cashew cheese. So if you wanna see that, you can go to our website and find the recipe for the cashew cheese. Okay, so they're just about ready.
Yes.
There we go, pop.
Pop.
And if you want them to cook a bit more, have a bit of a dark color, you could just put them in for longer. I've just put them on just a medium heat. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna put some cashew cheese on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yum.
Yum. You go, girl. No, you won't have that one. I know which one you're gonna have. Let me guess. You're gonna have the strawberry one? Mm-hmm. Okay. You like the strawberry one with the peanut butter, don't you? Or the almond butter that we put on there?
And don't forget little bits of avocado on mine too.
Okay. We'll put some avocado on that.
Yep.
Some avocado.
This is yum.
Oh, but if you cook it. And I've got some just sauerkraut, some beetroot, or this one's cabbage sauerkraut, but red cabbage sauerkraut, which just gives it some flavour and a bit of...
I don't want red cabbage on mine.
Oh, no, I'll be eating that one, not you. That one's my favourite. And I'll just put some sesame seeds on that. I've toasted these sesame seeds with a little bit of tamari.
No sesame seeds.
Not on your one, nope. And now we'll make a sweeter version, which is with almond butter, or you can use peanut butter, or you can use Brazil nut or cashew nut, whatever butter you like, whatever nut butter you like. Okay, you want some strawberries on your one?
Yes.
Okay, we'll put some strawberries on your one. Nuts. Cool, let's get some strawberries. Because in that way, delicious. If you've got walnuts, I would even throw some walnuts on top with a little drizzle of honey. Although, you know what, it is sweet already, but I don't mind with the sweet ones if you just drizzle a touch of honey and some walnuts. I don't have walnuts right now, but we could have some in the cupboard, yep. Just a little drizzle of honey, and there you have it. There you go. These, honestly, try it. Like I said, I was a skeptic and now I definitely love them. You want to have a bite? Okay, you have a bite of your one. Is that good? Yeah. Enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later, alligator. Yeah.